In this video, I want to give you an overview as to what sits inside Marketing and Autopilot, part of Lifecycle. I'm not going to go into each one of these individually. I'll do that separately on different videos. Just a brief overview as to what it is that you're looking at here. So the top left here, we have audiences. Audiences is where all of the contacts in Lifecycle are broken down based on different filters. So you may have some very simple audiences like all contacts or all buyers or all vendors, etc. Or you may have some more detailed audiences such as all vendors that have had a market appraisal and have chosen to instruct another estate agent, or all vendors that have had a market appraisal and told us they're not thinking of moving for the next 6 months. And then once you have audiences, you can send those people an email, you can send them an SMS, or you can run a Facebook ad to them, because Lifecycle can sync straight in with your Facebook Ads Manager to make sure that those people are found in Facebook and you can run adverts to them. So that's audiences. You've got automations. Automations, as the name suggests, is where we create simple functions that can make your life easier without you having to try and stay on top of things. So, for instance, there is an automation that says, when I mark a property as SSTC, have a look in our system to see if there are any market appraisals currently waiting to come on the market with us or that have instructed another agent within a certain radius of the property I just marked as SSTC. And if so, automatically send them an email saying, hey, we just sold another property near you, we really need some more stock, have another look at your market appraisal. The person hopefully looks at their market appraisal, which would send you guys in an automatic notification letting you know they're active, and hopefully you can follow up and win the instruction. So there are a list of automations in there. You don't have to go in and start creating your own automations. Iceberg will just regularly release new automations, and when you're inside that system, you can literally just turn them on or turn them off. Very similar to Journeys, so I'll jump down here to Journeys. Journeys is pretty much the same kind of thing as automations, although it may involve more than one step. Automations is usually just one thing. Journeys may be a case whereby I want someone to receive an email after 3 days of doing a specific action, and then again after another 7 days, and then again another week later. Or I want somebody to receive an email every 365 days asking them if they'd like a valuation. And so again, you don't have to go in and create the journeys. Iceberg will create journeys for you and regularly release them into the system and let people know they've been created, and you can just go in and turn them on or turn them off depending on whether you like the idea of the journey or not. Content. So in content is where you can actually create your blogs, your articles. When you create an article in here, it will automatically get posted onto the blog that we've created for you online, so that you've got a link to share with people. You can also automatically share it to Facebook and other social medias that we're adding regularly over time. You can schedule when you want that content to go out. You can send it out by email. You can do everything that you need to do in terms of creating the content in this section and distributing it. And the great thing about that is that all of those platforms then link back to that one central article, so that you can track who's looked at it, how many times it's been looked at, and see what content is working for you and what content isn't working for you. Email templates. So in email templates, pretty self-explanatory. You can create an email template about whatever you please and send it out to your database. And SMS, again, quite straightforward. If you want to send out a mass SMS to people, you can go in here, create the SMS, and choose which audience you want to send it out to, and the system will automatically send it out for you.